10,000 RPM on the way. For a jeep, they got me a jeep there. I try on the poultry supply and then going up. And then the one, I'm always on second gear. 1 down, 5 up.
It surprises you because it just starts pulling.
When you ship it.
Yeah.
And then the grip, it's like a...
Because it pulls. Before you had like this lull, and then it would just
But
start
that
pulling.
one you can do like this, so.
Full throttle.
Yeah,
yeah.
me when second, I start there. First and I doing hard and then it's not bug, no bug now,
Right.
not like that. Ano yan? Kaya RPM kaya ka? 9,000.
Anong masasabi mo sa performance ng Raider?
Yung Raider 150 na stock at saka yung kay Service, dinride ko kasi ngayon. Iba yung performance kasi modify yung head tapos carb lang yung set. Iba talaga yung performance niya. Sa 300 meters napatakbo ko lang ng 108. Tapos yung RPM umabot ng 9,000 kasi marami nga sasakyan. So next time i-road test namin sa highway para mas malaman kung yung top speed niya talaga. Tapos doon sa Raider ko naman at saka sa Raider ni Sir Bill, yung sa akin parang talagang stock pero ito parang naka-set. Yun lang. Ikaw, Son, dinride mo kanina to
Malakas siya kung tutusin. Ano siya, pag-test ko kanina nasa 10,000 RPM. Talagang powerful.
Ano yung anong pagkakaiba niyo sa 155 mo tsaka sa
Sa 155, hindi kagaya sa 155 bagang nagli-limit, hindi kagaya nitong kay Sir Bill na talagang fully modification siya. Talagang hindi siya nagli-limit, powerful, maabot hanggang 10,000 RPM. Ang galing ng pagkakagawa.